This remarkable home brings you one-level living, 5 bedrooms, lower-level walkout with a second kitchen and a fenced-in yard. What else do you need? Here is a list of improvements: new AC, stained patio, installed vinyl black chain link fence, new cedar decking and handrails, new light fixtures, luxury vinyl plank flooring and laundry, main bath and hallway. Main floor is open with vaulted ceiling from the front living room to the kitchen. Great counter space here for the cook in the house. Informal dining area has sliding glass door leading to the beautiful deck and command of the backyard. The main level bedroom is being used as an office and is convenient to the 3/4 bathroom across the hallway. Downstairs is an entertainer's delight. You have a 5th bedroom and a non-conforming bedroom or office, full bathroom, second kitchen and a walkout to the backyard. If you need storage, there are 2 areas here. Welcome home. P.S. Seller works from home, showings begin 3:45 on weekdays.